today we're gonna do some customized polygel. I have all the different colors of polygels laid out each color. So I start from this. Number 6 is white. This is transparent, I think. Ooh, this one look like Barbie pink. This one is really hard to get out. This is a bit subtle pink. In 11, it's kinda interesting to me. I saw the color is like purple, and then I got down to it, it's like a darker nude color. Milky white, the 12, and last one is like nude pink. I got this polygel. This is like a carrot colors, which is my favorite. I mixed it earlier, but I didn't record it. I just take a little bit of it and to make a sample. After I got all my polygels, next I'm gonna use this to gel polish. This is CG109 pink, a normal pink, and this is CG119. This is a bright yellow. I think this have a white in this yellow, so it looks like not a pure yellow color. So I got these 3 gel paint, so I just lay every color of it down the plastic layer first, and I'm just gonna mix and match until the colors that I want. Now I'm using this contact lens container, and I used this before, so it's a life hack for you guys. If you have any clean container, you can cap the polygel. Firstly, I just apply a little bit in my fingers because I want to match the skin colors and also my nails colors. So I just play around with the polygels that I have laid out. I think this one look good. I mean, the nude pink is almost similar to my skin tone, but I think I'm gonna add a little bit of white because my nail is like a pale pink more than a really striking nude pink. I'm just gonna mix it on my finger so it will be easier for me to see whether it's match my skin or not. Either you can mix it in a plastic paper that I put in, and then you just put on your finger and match it. It's almost same like my nails color, which is a pale. So next I think I'm gonna do a ombre white on top of that. So I'm gonna do 2 colors. One is the pale pink and another one is a wider shade of pink. Yeah, I like that. So I'm gonna keep the color that I already mixed into that plastic paper, so when I put in my container I can do a comparison whether I mix it right or not. I'm just gonna take the new pink, I think number 13, the very last color and a little bit of milky white too. And then I'm gonna add a white, pure white, a little bit, just a little bit more. After I got all the color, I will mix it and give it a good blend. I'm just gonna stir it until all the colors are blending evenly. Take the color that I already have and match it, see whether it's same as the color that I apply on my hand. But it's a bit lighter, and I put a little bit carrot colors. I love to call it carrot because every time I see it, I just think of carrots. So I'm adding a small amount of the colors. After I got all the colors that I want, and I just gonna take a little bit to put on the cap, so make sure I know the color is right there in the clear cap above, and I'm gonna cure it later.
I can't wait to leave this town, 'cause lately I've been feeling down. The cold nights just don't feel the same. Like my life inside a car, hit the button, drive real far. Put that record on me like, I'm dreaming of you, I dream of a new night. Fight in the dark till we see the sunlight. My love, it's you and I. Close, close, and could have this fight. So reach for the stars, 'cause we're aiming high.
Okay, now the color is on top, and I'm ready to go to do the second color, which is a little bit brighter, so I can make like a ombre, you know, the nails ombre color. So this one definitely need more whites, so I put number 6 white first.
You can't wait to see me now, 'cause lately you've been feeling down. You lay awake alone at night. Like your life inside a car. Forget the world and drive real far. Put that record on again. My love, it's you and I.
I'm gonna stir it until it blends well.
Reach for the stars, 'cause we're aiming high.
Put it in the cap. And then I test it out. It's kind of okay. The color is brightening a bit compared to the other one,